trace of the night on the way back down from the sky where you left my soul. Can you help me fly? I can't resist, 'cause you have got a hold on me. And all these thoughts, when you are here, you light up the dark sides. To live in the night shine, you take my life and light every side. You fade the dark inside. The living light shines. Trace of the night on the way back down from the sky where you left my soul. Can you help me fly? I can't resist, 'cause you have got a hold on me. And all these thoughts, when you are here, you light up the dark sides. To live in the night shine, you take my life and light every side. You fade the dark inside. The living light shines. The living light shines.
back to the sound. Back to the sound.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. Baby, you can count on me now. When you're falling down, 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 I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there. Leaving you alone is the hardest, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own.
Chat, baby, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well this beautiful Thursday afternoon. It is definitely a bit better this side. Markets looking to come alive, obviously having some news playing a big part here. But we're going to see what we can do, what we can catch here. As you guys can see for now, I'm riding a little bit solo here, but we are hopefully going to change that a little bit later. Edski should be dropping in here and giving me some helping hands. But we're going to see what happens. Big man Chris had some little things he got to deal with and get out of office, so he isn't here today, but that doesn't change. Obviously, unfortunately, that means there's no book maps here for you guys today. I don't actually have the logins for it, so I must get that in the future, but we're going to sort that out. Before we get going, guys, please let me know if you guys have, if the volume's good, audio's fine, music's fine, anything must be changed or adjusted there. I remember this morning you guys said the audio on this mic was a bit soft, so we did make some changes there. Let me know if that's sounding good now. But pretty much hundreds all good. Okay, perfect. But we're going to see what happens here. US30 took a hit with that news at 3:30. Yeah, we spoke about this morning, that US30 move literally playing out perfectly to the T. We said to you guys this morning the sells were there, so I hope some of you guys listened in on that. I think even if you took the trade from this morning, the thing we were talking about 60 pip stop, yeah, you would have been fine. You guys would have been 100% in that trade, and I think other than even just going for Asia lows, you would have had almost a 3-hour trade. So it would have been a nice one there for you guys. But we'll talk about that, guys, so don't worry about that. But as always, before we get into anything, we start looking at the charts and we start talking about what is happening on the fundamentals. We are going to open up with a prayer. So if this is your first time here, please note we are about to pray. And as always, we do the simple Our Father's prayer. So if you don't know how to pray, you can learn this prayer and follow along with us next time. All right. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who have trespassed against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen. And all of those that are in agreement can drop an amen now. So just let us know there, guys. If there's more than 2, he is here and with us. All right, there we go. Beautiful, beautiful stuff, guys. So let's get into it and let's see what is happening here on the charts. So we're going to start us off here with the fundamental chat. As you guys can see, very, very simply, we had a few red folders. I think that's what everyone is obviously aware of and talking about. Obviously, the prelim GDP for the USD and unemployment claims. And obviously, GDP coming out flat as expected and forecasted, the same as previous. And then unemployment claims, a big miss. So 220, they expected a 222, so 2K up. Came out at a 242, so a whole 22,000 more there. So again, kind of a weaker dollar there, which is quite interesting. But seeing that turnaround, I think, with obviously that prelim coming out flat. And then your durable goods, obviously a drop there. And durable goods month on month, quite a big rise. So in general, if you want to take the batch of 330, you really had a basically mixed data. So quite an interesting one. Now coming in at 5 o'clock, pending home sales, only orange folder. And that is pretty much it for the day. So we'll see what happens there. Going over to the charts now, let's see what is happening, guys. So DXY, let me just adjust my chart as I always have to. Yeah, there we go. So starting us off now, DXY. I said to you guys I was neutral with a bit more of a bullish outlook, purely because of us not being able to break lower here, giving us the test, holding this key level, getting back above the psychological 106. Now starting to look quite good for us and moving to the top side. So already back above the monthly S1, weekly pivot held, monthly S1. This is the area for dollar. So when we see this here, straight one momentum. Personally, for myself, we need to hold this area. If dollar is going to go bullish now again, this is the area it needs to hold. Otherwise, there can be a bit of a problem coming here for the dollar if we trade back down. If we fail here, long term, we can see, or not long term, but let's say the end of the day, however aggressive today is going to be, we could see that move coming right back down and going back to that psychological 106 and even lower. But as I say, I am leaning a bit more to the bullish side. Nasdaq, obviously quite bullish ahead of Nvidia earnings. But keep in mind, guys, as much as Nvidia earnings are there, they're not the Nvidia earnings we were seeing last year. So that's why, for me, it's not really that same effect. And that's why guys also need to understand that. So trading in here, we are holding this level, hence we are neutral. On the 4 hour though, we are still holding this monthly pivot. So if we can't get above this and start to show some momentum to carry on to the top side, there's a very, very good chance we're going to hold this level and come back down to the bottom here. So I'm going to stay quite neutral. Nasdaq for me, as I say, isn't moving too clearly. It is a stair stepping. It is obviously one directional, but a little bit of stair stepping there. It is above the 200 now, so at least it's got that going for it as well. USD on the other hand, I said to you guys this morning I was bearish, and that's purely of us coming back up, making our lower high and coming back down. The 4 hour, we see in the same thing now, just on a lower time frame. So again, that was your lower high. Now you finally broke down, and that's where you're making, again, that same momentum. So seeing that drop to the downside, I think we could see a big, big move here. If we are going to go bullish, personally myself, I think I'm only going to look for those buys, even potentially around the daily pivot. I might be a bit aggressive there, but that will be the idea. Otherwise, as I say, the EQ is the safer option, but I personally am going to maybe get more aggressive and look for something here on the daily pivot already. But otherwise, I am going more bearish. The first thing for us was that Asia lows was all untested, so no test there for us, not the straightest of line. And then previous weekly low. So again, if we do come back down here and we see this move here, that break of the previous weekly low, I want to see volume come in and we can see this thing move to the downside. So quite simple with that one. Then going over to gold. Gold, I'm also, guys, I've said to you, I've been neutral with a bit more of that bearish outlook. The fact we held that yearly R1 coming all the way back down. Once you're back under 2900, we need to see it just start to hold there. The 4 hour, we are seeing a little bit of a turnaround, but again, weekly S1. So personally, all I'm going to look for with gold now is in this New York Open. And this is why obviously that mixed data can be quite crucial. if we get above this weekly S1 and we start looking good, I can see the longs back up into 2900. But if we hold underneath here, like I'd love that to do, especially under a previous daily low, I'm going to go quite bearish. And again, we'll even go for the possible wick fill underneath previous weekly lows and then back to daily S2, because also that would mean we broke, retested, and held daily S1. So most likely daily S2 is our target. So that's pretty much it for today, guys. A little bit of a speed run. We're going to see what's happening over here. I need to quickly pull up the other chart just to get our stuff over to our Project G members. And then we're going to see what is happening. Ladies and gentlemen, the best and the mostest all the way from SA. Give it up for the 2Gs. Hey, Terry, appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it. All right. Let's just get this done quickly. Yeah, sorry guys, you're gonna have my full attention shortly. There we go. Where's our Discord? Yeah. But how's everyone's training there been today so far, guys? Been with W's, people taking some shots. How's it been? Alright, so that is our play there. Alright, the cracker, I like what it's looking for today. Quite an interesting one.
What's up, Chad?
The big man just in time here. There we go.
Okay, let me just sit up here.
That BMW I needed. Hey, what BMW are you talking about now?
Beamer, Benzo, Bentley. Beamer, Benzo, Bentley.
See, Nasdaq suffering as the minimum 7 stocks are pretty much all in correction territory. What's up, Keys? What's up, Albert? 2K this morning, 5K up now. Not so too bad. Hey, Lyndon, there we go, bro. It's not about the setback, but the comeback.
Hey, there we go.
Power Ranger in the building. I am up. My 2% didn't get a setup this week. Hey, bro, that's the thing. Not every day is a trading day.
It's just how it is, fam. It's just how it is.
It's just how it is. We have some time here, so we'll see if it is ready to go. Then we'll put it onto his screen for him to do a little breakdown for you guys.
Give me 2 seconds. Give me 2 seconds. Okay, let's go for it. All right, Chad. I am overall bearish on my indices right now. I'm actually in a trade right now based off hitting that monthly pivot. Sorry, rejection of the monthly pivot. Fundamentals going in a bearish direction, so I'm anticipating that to continue. However, before you see my trade and want to jump in, what we could still do is break above this monthly pivot, come up, test the daily R1. We might spike a little bit before that little reversal. So I went in anticipating this trade. It was a more aggressive approach for the day. So is it possible I'm wrong? I'm wrong more often than I'm right. So if you copy this, you will lose money. So that's what I'm doing on NAS. And then we'll set up for the Power Ranger and see what happens. However, this trade's also based on the fact that we have not tested Asia lows at all. So I'm anticipating a retest the Asia lows by end of session today. And that's what we're going off there. On US 30, also bearish, also expecting sells. Missed the perfect grubber kick on the EQ. There is where I would have entered. However, I got a little PC level over there. Trademark, patent pending. And I'm expecting a test of that key level there. And then I'm going to take the sells down to Asia lows, which we reversed just before. And I like saying anything in the markets. There's a reason why we came that devilishly close to Asia lows, but didn't take them out. So I'm anticipating sells, a sell continuation. It's probably trying to build liquidity on there. If you don't see the liquidity, you will be the liquidity. So those are my plans for today. So I'm waiting for a retest or a test of this level before shorts there, and I'm in shorts on NAS already. Bearish on indices is my game plan. And based on, give me 1 second, let me actually open this. I'm going to take a guess that the cracker is also looking for sells. Maybe, maybe not.
Project G to
Yeah,
find out,
maybe,
guys.
maybe not. Ooh, okay. But yeah, we'll have to wait and see what's going to happen. Laka, that's me.
Hey, there we go, guys. Let's sort that out there quickly. Okay.
I feel like the latest confluence you've added to the cracker, I think I know what it is. I think.
We're gonna go split screen here, guys.
Losing all of our faith, we can't live this way. Feel me slowly fade away. Feel me slowly
Beating gold bars. Ooh.
50 cal, got a break even on it yesterday. And I don't think I got an entry rest of the week. So a BE week on the Power Ranger.
When Ed said, if you don't see the liquidity, you will become liquidity. Me and the rest of the Asia range boys felt that.
Wasn't that the bar? Where did I hear that? That was a bar. That used to be a bar when I started trading. That was what
Yeah.
everyone used to say.
If you can't see the liquidity, you're probably the liquidity.
Every
RCT trader.
I have been the liquidity many a times, Chad. Many a times.
Hey.
It's sad. It's a sad day when you are the liquidity.
Yeah, we've all been there, bro.
Lately I have this superpower, like absolute superpower. I can snipe a stop loss. I'm like, my stop loss should be at this level. Price will snipe me there, then reverse. It happens so often. It can't be accidental. I'm low key doing this subconsciously on purpose.
Nah, you know, bro. I hate to be that guy. I'm gonna be like the dad of Vietnam, I'm gonna say. But if you were journaling and you picked up on this, why haven't you extended your stop losses?
Hey, because they're big already. I need to enter later is my thing.
I'm officially calling my strat the Heat Seeker.
Heat Seeker. Hey.
All right.
Okay. Oh, you know someone has a strat when you give it a name.
The Heat Seeker.
Go, Mo.
And then when he's hitting stop losses, it's load shedding because the heater turned off. There was no heat seeking there. Stop balls in profits, of course, shaved a few positions of peace of mind. Now waiting for NY open to see what happens. Hey. We're gonna see ya. Squeak. I call mine the stop sneaker because I've been taking L's.
Hey, bruh.
The boys are...
It can be rough out here sometimes, eh?
It's getting touchy out here. It's still under development, can't disclose it. Keith, can I ask what is meant by an account? Wait, what? Keith, can I ask what is meant by an account that is stop account, example, vault, stop out? Does Vault have a stop out account? Normally, so if I'm thinking of the right one of what it is, was back in the day, like when people gave you a bonus, they used to also give you a bonus of basically negative. So if your account went into drawdown, it could be in a certain amount of drawdown for a certain amount of time before it would stop you out the trade. That, I don't know if Vault has that anymore. So if that is, that's possibly what they're referring to, but I think they have a drawdown bonus. Yeah, that's what I say. I remember in the past, some people, I think JP Markets was the one that had it. But yeah, I don't know if Vault has that now. Mo's about to start a course you and stop him. 1 minute till market open, guys. Let's see what is going to happen. We are getting ready to load, yeah.
These headphones are choking me from the get-go today.
Vault Cash account have account protection, I think. Percentage of loss on a trade based on account balance, and they close your trades for you. Oh, okay. How are you guys connected to VF? We are VF? I'm confused.
We are employed
Yeah.
by VF.
Robin, but you've been around here, bro. You like an OG here.
Currently sitting in VF's office.
Alright, guys. There's this markets open. Round 8. Ding, 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 ding. Fight.
Lego!
Round 1. Fight.
Boom shakalaka boom.
I was just wondering, bro. No, I was gonna say, bro, I'm sure you've been around there. Like, yeah, I'm surprised you don't know that. Do a new trading strategy, click buy and so on, does everything for you. Hey. Let's see what happens here, Chad. Yo, bro, that was quick.
What happened?
Okay, guys, Cracker, we are out of our trade. We hit a BE, so let me just show you guys there quickly. Let me just go under my screen. So Cracker, if I show you guys there quickly, here's the trade. Sells above there, sells under there. We broke above, so entered the sell, we popped up and then closed down almost immediately. Got to 40 pips, so we went break even on the trade, and then as the candle came to the end, turned around and reversed. So BE for us, that's just part of it with the Cracker, but yeah, that's already the Cracker out of the gates over here now.
BE is still a good day.
Hey bro, BE, I will take it. I will take it. Okay, guys, now you got my full attention, because I'm going to focus on you guys over here, now that the cracker's done there. Okay. I've still got a certain trade in my mind, guys. I'm looking out for you. See if we can get something. Keys, you done for the day? No. I'll still look here for something. Keys and Ed, I came across a prop firm with instant funding. Is it legit?
Depends on the prop firm.
Yeah, there is people that do it. I'm not a fan of it because when they do it, there's so many rules. There's one I know where they do instant funding, but before you can withdraw profits, you have to make, I think it's 22% on the account.
Jesus.
Yeah, so you can get instant funding, but only from above 22%, then the profits are yours. So yeah, when it comes to instant funding, the guys do some very, very funny rules.
I mean, listen, guys. Like, I try and remember with every prop firm, they need to make money too.
Yeah.
So for if the deal looks very, very nice, like, oh, you get instant funding, there has to be a drawback somewhere where they can make their money from.
Keeks, my next VF account, I'm dedicating to the cracker and only the cracker. Bro, it works. I mean, you guys saw again, it basically did another prop firm account. To be fair, yes, I took one trade, maybe two, that weren't the cracker, but yeah, all the way to live again. Yeah, no, I'm not done. USD long is above pivot or EQ, plenty room to move up top. Yeah, personally, I don't like the bars though. That's my only thing. So I've got quite a bit of an idea of what I want to try go for.
So US 30 is going to where I wanted. Now I was quite nervous about US 30 pumping all the way up here.
Yeah.
And NAS staying exactly where it is. I wasn't sure if I was going to get that play. It looks like it's playing out. Okay. Just stay right there, baby. Stay right there. Don't move. Daddy wants some profits.
Ooh, the man's getting ready to go.
Daddy wants some profits. Okay, we'll see what happens.
So are you wanting to basically buy
Sell.
on USD or NASDAQ?
Oh, I'm selling on NAS currently, but I'm
Are
looking
you
to
already in sales on that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm looking to sell on US 30 as well. Normally I wouldn't take two trades at the same time, but it's on separate accounts.
Keeks, now that we have your full attention, can I have a job at VF because markets don't pay? Unfortunately, bro, that's where you need to talk to the big man, not me.
What marketable skills do you have?
I can make you an affiliate. That we can talk, yeah. But that's about as far as my power goes. And Rooks and Linden. So hold on, I thought the Power Ranger waits for the 15 minutes.
This isn't the Power Ranger.
Okay,
The Power Ranger's still coming.
Power Rangers are coming. Again, a double shot, yeah, that machine gun's loaded.
I told multiple accounts for multiple reasons.
Well, at this point, it's more like the double barrel shotgun.
Multiple accounts for multiple reasons. It'll be three. It's three bullets on two accounts.
This is the Ed Ranger.
And just to show you boys, like, hey, listen, the Ed boy can actually trade.
Bro, I don't know what it is with women, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Like, sorry guys, this is a bit off topic, but like, Men hot and woman hot is two different things.
Okay.
Like the other day, Caitlin was like, yo, be careful, like with this pot. So I like take the pot and she just grabs it off my hands and like walks with it. No thing on her hand, nothing. I was like, yes, it's okay. Same as a shower. That woman will be like,
Yeah.
sure, you had a hot shower. I'm like, no, it was basically like cold water.
Yeah.
Then I walk in there when she's at a shower and it's, yes, bro, the whole place is steamed up. And I'm like,
Dude,
holy crap.
It's literally like melt your skin off.
Then it's the same thing with coffee. Bro, I can't even touch the cup.
Yeah.
I'm like, what
Yeah.
the hell is this?
Apparently, it's because their core body temperature is colder than ours, so they don't feel as heat doesn't affect them as much, or something like that.
This is the Thundercats. They will trade the Asia recession for the G's. Is there any commission on indices once a VF account goes live? I could be wrong here, but I think when you live, there is a little bit of commission. It's nothing crazy. It's the normal standard thing, if I'm correct. But it's, yeah, when you live, yes. Ed, what broker do you use for the other strat?
Right now, I'm using Vault Markets.
Asia session with Gang, Red Bull, Super C's.
Let me delete that before Oaks are like, oh no, he's in. Not in yet, Chad.
What Keegs was the green BMW you posted on Insta, the new wheel? Green
It's not green. It's more like a yellowy.
Oh, the gold.
Yeah.
Oh, no, brother, no. I didn't pull the trigger on that. That was like a test drive and stuff like that. But I didn't end up pulling the trigger. I did go look at something else. Which I'm very, very much leaning towards. But I guess you guys are going to have to wait and see. There is a little something. But you know, you always got to do things just to shut the haters up. So as I said, first thing was the house, because for some reason that's the only thing guys can say is like, hey, Keegan does this, but he still stays at home. Okay, cool. But I pay all my bills, I do all my own stuff, I travel, I do everything. But hey, that's the only thing you can get me on. So I mean, hey. When now your boy is in the States, now what you gonna say? Right.
What you gonna say now?
Now what you gonna say? So we had to just do that first, and then there's Yellow London.
Yeah, that's what's next. That's what's next.
And then I'll look to you. So for the next few months, my bank account is crying. It's crying quite a bit. Hey, you guys.
Check that Nas trade, Oaks. That's looking sexy. Eh? That's looking delicioso.
My boy's making some moves here.
Okay, I'm going BE on this trade. We're back into Asia highs, about to tap the EQ.
Yeah, 50 cal, bro. I would have never got the hint, eh? The legs are getting tired, bro.
Actually, I'm actually just go up just above that candle's wickety wick. Wicky woo.
Look at the guys delivering trades here.
There we go. Right there. Move my.
Ed, I don't want to be that person.
There. Yes, sir.
But I'm gonna say this is the trade you probably went low risk on, eh?
Shut up.
Chad, it's an ongoing joke, eh? We have here at the office.
Shut up.
If all of us, like Ed, myself, Chris, whenever we take these, like, I'm not gonna say naughty trades, but it's not like our.
It's not
like your number one strat.
Yeah.
And those are the trades that are banger trades. Those are the trades you always go low risk on.
In my defense, it's on my low risk account, but I went big on my low risk account.
Yeah. No, that's what I say. Yeah, I'm not.
But no, it wasn't the main account. It was not the main account, because that would have been weekend money, Chad. That would have been like, okay, candies on me tonight, boys.
Oh, so Ed can trade.
You bastard.
Oh, guys.
I have my moments. Look at this. Bask in my glory. Are you not entertained? Are you not
Put it a
entertained?
bit to the right, brother. Yo, there we go.
Wait. Let me get rid of all these levels so you can watch this. Look at it.
Who thought the risk management interviewer can trade?
Right, I mean, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna go BE on this. After
Ed,
this,
you just gotta watch out, bro.
Hmm?
17 minutes. There's news coming out there.
What news? No man. At 5, let's see. Oh, pending home sales. I'm not overly worried. I'm not overly worried. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, I'm gonna go break even on this completely. Yo, Chad. Yes, man. Yes, man. If this hits full TP, I'm a... Also, listen. I'm going to give my man Murwani his credit. If that hits full TP, that trade is based on his strat.
Hey.
That trade is based on his strat. I'm gonna give him full props for that one. It's not how he would have executed it, but it's on some of his confluences.
There we go, Terry. I'm back with you, bro. I believe you. Everyone has a trade. Everyone can trade. Beers on him. There we go.
Okay, I'm not inviting the whole Chad. I say it's a low risk account. Come down.
You got currently 205 beers you got to buy, bro.
Slow down, Chad. Slow down. Maybe just the PE crew. Just the 10 of you.
I blew so many accounts. I felt so bad, so I went to buy a new car. Now I'm no longer feeling sad. That's it, bro. That's the trade of life way. That's how we do it. Gold Oaks, brother, we're quite locked in on indices now, so not really looking at gold. We are bearish on it, but yeah, we locked in on indices.
Okay, waiting for US 30 to make a move. I'm not used to how far right my chart has to be for the chat to see it.
Mo asking for half of the profits.
Worst part is I think Mo took a break even today. I'm not sure if he entered. I'm not sure if
That's always the worst, bro.
Oh, he took a break even today. So here am I eating off his strat.
It's like, yeah, bro, shot for the trade. It's like, what trade?
What trade?
No, man, I went break even. Oh, why? I hit TP.
Sorry, man. Okay.
Oh.
Okay, I want this to bounce off the EQ. All Asia highs, nice little bounce off there, continue lower, and that will
If
be.
that holds into the EQ, bro.
Yeah, that will be me. And while we're on it, the Power Ranger has now set itself up. That's a 200 pip, 50-minute candle. Jeez.
We're getting ready here, guys. I've got quite a bit of an aggressive move. I might take you out my DJing account. So we're gonna see what trouble we can get into today.
Oh, you haven't gotten your account details yet, eh?
No, still waiting.
Okay.
But they do take long.
Oh, because you still need to do interview and all that, eh?
Yeah, the thing is, I won't have to do an interview. Well, they will make you do an interview, but you can basically just run through that. Also, if you are done with them already, you don't have to do all your details because they keep your KYC stuff. So you just have to sign the contract, but your stuff's already there.
Alrighty. Hey, speak of the men.
There's the man.
Mo money in the building. Tell me you caught that.
No,
Oh no, you wouldn't. You wouldn't have. It was on Nas. You do US 30.
Yeah, no, I didn't catch shit, bro.
US 30 still looks like it's setting up.
You know what? I'm telling myself, I don't have to destroy my account other than the little knockout. I'm better than
Brother.
that. Serious now.
Yeah, but as long as that thing holds under the EQ for you, then you're solid there.
Oh, lovely. Lovely. You know what I'm gonna do tomorrow?
What's that?
I'm gonna go to some print shop. I'm gonna print a picture of a little GR86. I'm gonna frame it, put it right there in front of my desk, and be like, that's what I'm working for. I'm doing it in print shop too, because I want that bad boy in color. I want to like I want it in HD in front of me. I want it to look real.
Hey, there we go. Man's manifesting it.
Dude, I'm telling you. If I have my way, it'll be like June, July vibes.
Just got you what we're trading. Marlon, the trade ends in his NAS, and I'm waiting for a trade on US30.
Yeah, I might enter another trade on NAS if the Power Ranger sets itself up. We will see. We will see.
Key, you still don't fancy the buys in US30? I personally don't, bro. I personally don't.
I don't like how extended this move is, though.
Key, you still don't fancy... Oh, that was that thing. Meg H. I have no clue what that is. I don't know if you're actually talking English or if that's... I don't know what that is. Key, genre for FFB. Ooh. Okay, hold on. Let me think here. Let me think. Chris isn't here, so I'm giving you guys a genre. Okay. So you guys can prepare. Let me think. I want to think, yeah. Hold on. I have an idea of a song. I just want to check myself first. If that song falls under it, then I know what we're doing. I'm going to mute you so Ed can just...
Oh, okay. Terry. What is that? Is that the G-Wagon? That the Mercedes? Oh wait, G63. What is that? What is that? I'm not a big car guy. G63. Oh, dude, that's a banger of a car guy. I can get behind that. I can get behind that.
You want the G-Wagon.
How much does it go for?
Brand new, about 3.5 mil.
Somebody is dreaming big.
US30. Wait.
You were not freaking joking. There's one for 5.9 mil here.
Yeah, this is it starting, bro.
Loving
starting. All right, guys. Who can guess what the genre for FFB tomorrow is going to be? I've got it. I've decided. What do you guys think it is?
80s rock.
Saw Bravo's G-Wagon a couple weeks ago, around $1 million on allocation. Yeah. They're crazy, bro. House and piano, rock, EDM, Afrikaans, Soki. Oh, yeah, Roche. Alright, guys. The genre. The genre for FFB tomorrow is... Best of the 90s.
Oh, okay. Okay, I can get behind that.
Alright, there we go. Best of the 90s. So now you guys... I think that works. It's nice. Because you know what? It gives you guys like a little bit of a... you can play with it. You can go the kind of pop route. You could even go, because there was a lot of good rock songs at that time coming out. You can choose your weapon. But now we already know, for example, there's no dubstep that's coming out there. So we're giving you guys a fighting chance. I was even born, you guys are old. Daddy FX, you know what they said, bro? If that ID number starts with 00, she's too young for you.
My guy, I remember the first time I saw ID number that started with 0. Genuinely, I was like, what country is this from? What am I looking at? And I was like,
Bro,
oh
it's
shit.
the weirdest thing. Oh, it's the weirdest thing.
I was like, holy crap, I have never seen an ID number like that before.
Facts. We need a test drive with my MT5 account standing at 50. Hey, bro. You need a TP there, eh?
Nearly a T. Oh, Chad. T-P. Come on.
There we go.
Fatality.
What was that? 260 pips in the bag, Chad.
Now you know, guys. I thought of something here now. You know what the winning element to Edge Strat is? Being on stream.
Which right say?
No, like honestly, bro, I can't think. When was the last time on stream you took a trade and you lost?
Straight up lost a trade on stream? No, there was a sneaky one I took not too long ago. But I said that was a risky one. But like besides that one, it's been a while, I think.
How's it, Ed Keys? What's up, my brother?
Chad, where my W's at? Where my W's at? Come on.
The guy can't trade.
Where my
indeed.
W's at?
I work in clinical laboratory. ID starts user. I'm sad. Life is hectic. Gold child needs. Ed victory. There we go.
Hey, thank you. Wait.
Hashtag Ed can trade.
I'm gonna be that dude. All right, Chad. Here we are with 185 people in the chat. We just took a massive short on NASDAQ. Making money while clicking buttons. Check all those W's in the chat. You missing out. Hey, there we go. Influenza.
Guys are taking notes here.
Okay. That was solid. That was. I am pretty chuffed with how that went.
Bro, you know the best part for me is when other mentors now want to start claiming that we watch their streams.
When?
Yeah, we watch theirs, yet we are on stream at the time
When?
trading. But the best part for me is they still don't know how to read the difference with points and pips.
No, you know what it is.
Then I'm like, really?
It's you and Chris are on stream. I'm busy watching theirs, and I'm feeding you the trades. That's what's happening.
Bro, like, if you're a trader, you can't throw shade at other traders, and you can't even tell the difference with points and pips.
Oh, that's funny. Just ask them, like, what is trading? How do the markets work? Just ask that basic question.
Yeah. So guys, as I said, I'm waiting for that sell in US City. It looks like it's coming before we are in, but we're not giving up yet.
Oh, Chad, I am Chad. Power Ranger not getting an entry. That bad boy just ran.
We ain't giving up yet.
That bad boy just ran.
I'm feeling risky today, Chad.
US 30, eh?
What is Forex? Keep it simple. They don't know.
Okay. I would have wanted to have entered this trade myself on the EQ. If I'm being aggressive with it, a 60 pip stop. If I'm being conservative, covering that high, but that's like 100 and something, so it's very extended. Okay, let me see what happens at the EQ, and I'll be more comfortable with a 60 pipper. Oh,
Hey.
Chad, you missed all of that.
Chad, I'm just saying, March, I think, is going to be a very, very good month. A little bit of a heads up. Chad, for the 184 of you that are here, I'm going to give you guys one tip, and one tip only.
Oh, yeah, give us the tip.
Make sure your post notifications are turned on for Monday. Because Monday is going to be big.
Oh, Chad,
And
what's
it's
happening
time we
Monday?
give back to the Chad.
Oh, Chad, what's happening
So
Monday?
make sure those notifications are turned on because you are not going to want to miss this.
Oh, Chad.
Then secondly, Chad, because we're getting bigger and better over here, I feel like a WWE star, bro, holding this mic while I'm talking to you guys.
Yes, man, do it. Do it.
For the first Friday, we are bringing back the Friday show.
Oh.
For the second Friday, we have got a special guest in the house for a podcast. And when we talk special guest, this person is currently over 1 million followers on Instagram.
Oh,
He's a big boy. The third week, we have another Friday show back in the building.
Chad, it's not ending.
The fourth week, we have another special guest podcast. A homeboy hero who is making waves in South Africa. Not in the trading space, but in some other industries. And I think you guys will all know him when you see these names start coming out and being released. But we are doing that. And keep in mind, at the same time, Chad, in the middle of March, we'll come into a Cape Town near you. So if you are there, the G's are in town. And then after that, I think that's pretty much everything for March.
I think that's the whole of March already.
There's a lot happening in March.
That's the whole of March.
We are kicking March off very hot. So as I say, Monday, I think you guys honestly are going to want to be part of it.
Keeks, how do you want to take this cell?
I'm still waiting for...
Break and close under the EQ.
Yeah, so I want to see this now. Basically, because now that test on the 5, but I want to see this here. So what I personally want to see, a little bit of a top wick, because I want to see this test the EQ, and if it can close bearish again after that. Because I want, obviously the thing for me, guys, is I wanted to take it kind of here. This was the idea to take the trade here, and we're already down here. So I need to be a little bit more particular with my entry. But yeah, we're gonna see what we can get here. If this runs, I'm gonna be bleak, but we're gonna see. But yeah, guys, as I say, Monday, you guys are gonna want to keep your eyes out.
Okay.
Trust me, not even Ed knows what's happening on Monday.
I was about to say, I really don't. Why don't I know? I really don't. I was like, I don't remember anything happening from Monday.
Even Ed's not aware.
I missed that meeting.
The G's keep on giving. Can't smell what the G's are cooking. Hey.
Can you smell?
You think you know me. That was still one of the best intro songs, bro.
Who's that one again?
Edge.
Oh, yeah.
Ah. On this day.
I see clearly.
One of the best, bro. That will go down. Oh, what a song.
I hesitated and now I'm missing it. I hesitated and now I'm missing it. Because that would have been... yeah.
Okay, Project Emmanuel. We're going to get to you now, brother. Don't spam the chat. We'll answer you now. Big Ed, can you please explain your trade on NASDAQ?
I can indeed. I can. Oh, I can't explain all of it.
We're gonna go full screen so he really can show you guys.
Okay, Chad. So I can't explain all of it because there's a couple proprietary. Jesus, I was not expecting that. There was a couple proprietary levels involved as confluence. However, the idea was predominantly based on the fact that I was bearish on NAS first of all, so looking for sells. And there was a couple confluences as to why I was looking for sells on NAS. I'm just going to delete that. I then waited after we broke above Asia highs. Asia lows were untested. We had the monthly pivot up here. And we had another key level that was very close to the monthly pivot. So my whole idea was based on waiting for this monthly pivot to be tested and rejected. And I was going to sell based on that. I did, however, wait until we had news come out at 3:30. So I wanted the news to play out first. After the news played out and we reversed back into this level, I took it right off the monthly pivot, with the idea being that Asia lows were untested. So that was my target down there. I had a lovely little 60 pip stop off the monthly pivot, with the idea being that Asia low was there and a couple key levels for the day were also sitting just under this previous daily low. So that's what I was aiming for, that's what I was targeting, and that is what we got. Support and resistance, fam. Support and resistance, key levels and pivots. What more do you want? There's nothing else you want, Moss. There's nothing else you want. Very similar idea on US 30. However, I was so busy celebrating Naz, I missed this little candle here I wanted to enter on. And then I hesitated on this candle here. So I'm hoping for a little retest of the EQ. And if we get that, I'm gonna go in on that.
Giveaways for Project G members subscribed on 6 and 12 months plans. We actually are doing something for those guys. That's not something happening on Monday, but we are actually doing something for those guys because it's a little bit of a thank you for the, I want to say, the commitment you guys also give to us. So we actually are doing something quite special for those guys. But yeah, Chad, I'm just saying, whether you're male, whether you're female, whether you're young, whether you're old, trust me, you're gonna want to see what's happening on Monday.
I know some of what's happening, not all of it.
Okay, guys, I want to see what US City needs to give me something now. She needs to come to the party.
Come on, US 30, come on. Come back. Come back. I promise I'll put you on my main account. Just come back.
Okay, guys, so I executed a long. Yes, this needs jumping. This is a aggressive trade, yeah?
Did you say a long?
Yeah, long.
Oh, shit. Okay.
Okay.
I'm busy looking for shorts. You're going long.
Not the best thing, yeah? You guys are going to see what I'm talking about. Sorry, guys, I'm going to put it on the screen. This thing is moving very quickly. I'm just trying to set things here. Let me just put it on my screen for you. So this is the position, yeah, already going quite nicely. Yeah, this was purely, I was waiting for this candle, so I wanted to see this hold, yeah, and we just got on the daily pivot with that break of structure, so that's when we entered the trade. But now, having a 50 pip stop, we already are basically just shy of our TP1, which is over there. But we actually going to be aiming on the 15 minute for the potential move of back up to here. Now, that's just because I want to see the highs be taken out. This is quite an aggressive trade, as I said. So if things fail, we're going to be doing something like that. So a nice 3R trade is the idea. But we're going to have to see what happens here. As I said, quite aggressive. That's why I've got the tight stop loss. But that is the trade we are looking at. So I know myself and Ed are both in trades at the moment. So we're going to go split screen now for you guys.
I'm not in yet.
Oh, you're not in? Well, they're both there. You guys can see both of them. So US 30, we are a little bit more on the aggressive side today. I won't even lie to you. But yeah, we are going to see. So what I want to see here, guys, this thing can even chip away. It's either going to explode to the top side, chip away. If it goes bearish, the thing for me is once it breaks, and that's why it doesn't even give us time to manage, and that's purely just because these candles are quite aggressive. If it breaks under this daily pivot, I'm most likely going to see this thing jump right back down. So I think that's going to not really, hence why we can have a tight stop, because I think if it does break lower, we're not even going to get the chance really to manage the trade. Hence why we can do it this way. So we're just going to do that for the guys. Okay, we're just going to see what this baby can do first. Wait, but you wanting shorts in US City?
I'm wearing shorts, but
On US City?
yeah.
Oh, Chad, this is...
But if it goes to roughly where your TP is, that's where I want to short from.
Okay. So remember, Chad, so if this now hits TP1, will be break even. Purely because it's testing the EQ, which is quite perfect, but I want to see it drive that EQ a little bit. Can always come right back down from there, but I think there's a good chance of seeing that run. Come on, give us something, yeah. 5 o'clock, yeah, what did the news come out as? Let me just look here quickly, Chad. Pending home sales, miss. Alright. Whoa, hold on. 4.1, 4.6. Alright. Come on. Alright, Chad. I am already going to go break even, purely because that trade did close above. So, as I say, very aggressive management on this trade, purely because, as I said to you guys, we are on the EQ. A lot of rejection can come off of that. But, yeah, we are already break even on the trade. There's TP1, baby.
Laka.
So there's 50 pips in the bag. Funded account or personal account, which is better option? Depends on your situation. Can we go full screen, please? On mine or Ed's? Which one?
Probably yours. I'm not really doing anything right now.
Marlon, I'll close. Then you close, brother. That's for you to do. We can go full screen, yeah. Ed's key starts getting into something, you can tell us. But yeah. There we go. There's your 60 already, Chad.
Okay. Sorry, Chad, just doing a little bit of admin. That's sorted.
There we go, running nicely.
Okay. Where do I want this?
So we're currently sitting 70 pips up.
70 pips up. I feel like that the short I wanted basically already happened. I'm not sure now. And you being in buys, I'm not gonna lie, throwing me off my game here.
Putting you under pressure there, bro.
Little bit. What's Naz doing?
I gotta show Edski and my boy.
And man,
He wants a seat at the table. He's gotta produce here.
man's already took a win. Do I want to ruin my 100% day?
Hey, bro.
By being greedy.
You had a solid trade.
Yeah.
What did you close it at? Hey, Chad, baby.
Asia lows for
There's
200.
100 pips. 100 pips in the bag, guys. Okay, I'm moving my stop loss to TP1, guys.
Solid trade, man.
There we go. There we go, guys. So there's 100 pips for you. So Marlon, I hope you closed your trade. Yeah, trade running nicely. Now just let it do its thing. We have our TP secured no matter what. Profits in the bag. And we let this thing just do the rest of the work for us. I'm confused. Thought he was looking at the sell. I just see him in the bar. I didn't even know he took it. I would love to have followed. Vipboy, go back and look, my brother. Ed was looking for sells. I was looking for buys. It was there the whole time.
Okay, we're at that level. I'm going to see how we close in the next 2.5 minutes. I'm going to use that time to think through if I actually want to do this or not.
No, Marlon, 100%. If that's the plan, bro, like you follow the plan. The plan for me is to go up for this. Hence why we're moving there. So we always say to the guys, follow your plan, and that's it. Oof, Chad, baby. Chad, you know what's coming here.
You can do it.
Come on, baby. Let's finish this thing.
Fatality.
What is this massive level here? Approaching that monthly pivot.
And Chad, I am out, baby. There we go. Chad, come on, baby. 150 pips. Chad, you guys know what's happening. Coming. Send those W's, baby. All right, Chad. 150 pips on USD today. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Stop loss was in profits. Trade managed. Just absolute one-way direction. Taken live on stream with all of our members. All the W's in the chat. Chad, if you took this trade with us, send a W there. Nice. 150 G's. 150 is 150, baby. All of this for free. If you guys aren't here, I don't know what you're doing. 150 pips in the bag. What a week. Beautiful trade, guys. Beautiful.
That was a
beautiful
banger.
trade.
The Chad needs to be up massively right now.
So what? Yours was how much?
260 on NAS.
260 pips.
Yeah.
Chad, you guys got fed today.
Yeah, Chad got fed today, guys.
150 to so like 410 pips today, Chad.
There's some
Come on, baby.
there is someone who was watching all of that happen and is punching the air right now.
Chad, 410 pips today. For free. For free.
Free 99.
Yeah, you also paying these other mentors. Come on, guys. What other groups you guys have that I can join? Oh boy, we have our premium group with the guys, Project G. If you go check out 2G's website, you can then go see the membership options there to join that, where we do prep course, education, trade news, do all of this stuff. But yeah, guys, today was a beautiful day, guys. Congrats, G's. Oh, guys, we couldn't take a step wrong yet today. Monster trades yet today.
No,
Ed,
it was
well
solid.
done on your side as well, brother.
Thank you. Well done to you, my good man.
Guys, I think we can call it on that
Yeah,
note.
that's it, guys. I'm done.
First day for me and Prodigy, and the free trades paid for it. Hey, there we go, my brother. I love to hear it.
And that's how it works, Chad.
I love to hear it, bro. Yeah, guys, that's the thing. So we're gonna keep it moving. You give me so many pips. VF has hiccups. Guys, you see that? I like. You still being optimistic about it. It's part of it. You can joke about it. I like that. Thank you guys for a profitable day, Marlon. Hope to see you back in the future. W is for real. No longer need a wallet. I need a cash. But guys, I think on that awesome note, 410 pips for the day. We're gonna go full screen here. Ed, any closing remarks there, brother?
Chad, do not get greedy. Be like me. Be like, listen, got my bag. I'm walking away. Morgen is nog een dag.
There we go, guys. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. As always, Ed, thanks for joining me here today. Chad, I hope you guys are ready for tomorrow. Friday, Forgotten Bangers, baby. The best of the 90s. Come prepared. And again, guys, I mean, no shade. But if that was 10 is 10, that's a month and a week of trading for you done.
A month and a week.
I'm joking, guys.
Cheers.
I'm joking. That's always this friendly banter between us. But much love to you all. Hope to see you guys all back tomorrow. Same place, same time as always. Appreciate you. And again, guys, I promise you, turn those notifications on Instagram for Monday. I promise you don't want to miss out on it. So take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. Peace and love, baby. Cheers, Chad.
Cheers, Chad.
Battling emptiness. I try to get every step, and I cannot get away. But you were such a paradise, standing up a mile high. Oh, you fall to give me strength. I can see a reason to try to fight for meaning, but you give me reason to know I still have meaning. I can feel you reaching through all the hard resistance. I know that you're with me. You've always got me through this. I'm not gonna fall for gravity, 'cause you lift me up when I can't feel. I'm not gonna fall for gravity, 'cause the world will doubt, try to bring you down, but your love is real. I can see a reason to try to fight for meaning, but you give me reason to know I still have meaning. I'm not gonna fall for gravity, 'cause you lift me up when I can't feel. I'm not gonna fall for gravity. Hearing all the wasted breath, struggle with every step, and I cannot get away. But you were such a paradise, standing up a mile high. Oh, you fall to give me strength.
But have you ever thought, what if this is all just a dream?